Hey everybody, it is Nick Verkirk and
Aaron Hoy.
those two mortgage dads, and we are so excited because this Friday, as of 3 hours ago, we get to get out of quarantine and now are in phase 2. We are excited.
Woohoo!
Yeah, and today we're actually coming to you from the awesome Arboretum here in Everett, and it's just a great place for us to remind ourselves that we need to get out. You know, we also need to support some local businesses that are out there.
Yes.
My biggest concern and thing that I'm so happy about is
The barbers.
the barber shops, the salons, all these different things that we did miss. So definitely get out, definitely go out and support some local businesses and go from there.
I kind of like the look though.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of growing it out. This has been,
Yeah.
for a while, but it's still going to be able to nice to get cut up.
Oh yeah.
But while you're doing that, make sure that you are having the same type of safety standards so we can protect ourselves, some of our loved ones, and some of the people out there that are susceptible. And on top of doing that, we know that this has kind of been a hard time for a lot of our clients and a lot of people in our community because of either job loss or having to stay home and change different things. So we want to talk about differences in refinances and how that they can benefit you.
Yeah. Well, I'll start off with one option that a lot of people are doing right now is refinancing to a lower interest rate. The advantage of doing that obviously is going to save you on your monthly payment.
Mm-hmm.
If you do a 30-year to a 30-year, you can always look at a 15-year. With rates being where they are right now, a 15-year might be more lucrative for you, and you can get out of debt sooner and own your home quicker.
Yeah.
That would be an advantage. The other thing is if you have private mortgage insurance,
Mm-hmm.
either through FHA or through conventional, now might be a good time to refinance because the equity has increased even among COVID-19.
Yeah.
Home prices are going up.
And we are seeing the selling side having some bidding wars right now because of inventory. So that does drive up house pricings and values for yourself. So if you do have mortgage insurance, we can just take a look at it really, really quick. It's nothing that's actually affect you. See if you're under 80% and we can cut that off.
Yep.
That is a great thing. The other one that we have is a cash out refinance.
Yeah.
This is one of my most asked questions about my clients. Stuff like people that have gone in forbearance or have had to live off their credit cards and things like that. Well, a cash out refinance is a great way for you to adjust your interest rate off these high interest rate loans or credit cards and loans and things like that. Plus, maybe it's time to do some renovations.
Yeah.
Maybe it's time to go on a vacation and have a lower, lower rate or, stuff like that. So there's tons of benefits with cash out refinance. And we'd love to be able to go over, those types of options and see how we can impact your life with either lower payments, having a better budget, or just paying some stuff back and then getting back into life.
Well, and here's another thing. My fellow veterans, there's an opportunity for you to refinance into a lower interest rate without needing an appraisal. And we don't need to verify your income. So we can just refinance you to a lower interest rate. It's a pretty simple process.
Yeah.
And be more than happy to talk to you more about that.
Yeah, and it's one of the quickest loans for us to be able to get done. But people right now are taking advantage, of the situations that are out there. This is a great time to think about refinancing, and it's a great time to be able to purchase a house.
Yeah.
There is some inventory out there. Things aren't getting too crazy yet. Because of the COVID thing, but now you can go out and see houses and things like that. So that is some great news if it's time to buy.
Yeah, and one other thing to talk about is if you, during this time, took advantage of the forbearance, talk with us first, let us know about it. There has been some changes to how that would work. Normally that would be a deal killer, but there's actually ways for us to work around that if you had to take advantage of the forbearance program.
Yes, they did adjust some things for us so that we can help you get into it instead of having to wait for 12 months, things like that. So there are some flexibility that we do have that the federal government came out with Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, which is great because they still want to keep this going so that we can keep this country economy as solid as we can.
Yeah. I think give us a call. we're here during this time here, and I'm just great that we can be outside again, and
Yeah.
and hopefully everyone stays safe and healthy.
Yeah. Everybody wash your hands. Make sure you're 6 feet away.
Kind of.
And get out. That's going to be the best thing for you. But that's it. We appreciate you guys coming out and ask some questions. You can comment below, or you can reach us personally either through our Facebook, or if you have our number, definitely give us a call. My number is 425-772-5741. It's my direct line.
And my number 425-750-5283.
All right, guys, go out there. Enjoy your weekend. Phase 2, we're out.